Beats Solo 4 wireless headphones, a game changer for music lovers? If you're looking for premium sound, sleek design, and seamless connectivity, the Beats Solo 4 wireless headphones might just be what you need. But are they really worth the hype? Let's dive into the design, sound quality, battery life, features, and whether they are truly the best for both Apple and Android users. Sleek, lightweight, and stylish, the Beats Solo 4 stays true to the brand's iconic look but with a more refined premium feel. Adjustable headband plus soft ear cushions equals all-day comfort without pinching or pressure headaches. Foldable and compact, perfect for on-the-go users. The design feels modern and durable, and they're comfortable enough for extended listening. However, if you have larger ears, the on-ear fit might feel snug over time. Signature Beats sound, expect that deep punchy bass that makes hip-hop, EDM, and pop come alive. Balanced mids and crisp highs, a step up from previous models, making them more versatile for different genres. Spatial audio support creates an immersive experience, especially for Apple Music users. If you love bass, these will not disappoint. However, audiophiles might find the sound a bit colored compared to studio-grade headphones. 50 hours of battery life, a huge upgrade from the Solo 3's 40 hours. Fast fuel charging, get 5 hours of playback with just a 10-minute charge. Whether you're commuting, working, or hitting the gym, the long battery life is a game changer. Seamless pairing with both Apple and Android. Class 1 Bluetooth, strong and stable connection up to 30 feet away. Super fast pairing with iPhones and iPads, instant connection with Android devices. No more frustrating connection issues. The multi-device switching feature works well, making it effortless to switch between your phone, tablet, or laptop. Clear voice pickup works well for calls and voice assistants. No active noise cancellation ANC. Great for casual calls, but if you need top-tier noise isolation, you might miss ANC. Pros: stylish and comfortable design. Deep bass plus improved sound balance. 50-hour battery life plus fast fuel charging. Seamless connectivity for Apple and Android. Cons: no active noise cancellation. On-ear fit may not suit everyone. Who should buy it? If you love strong bass, long battery life, and stylish design, the Beats Solo 4 wireless headphones are a solid choice, whether you're on Apple or Android. Check out the link to the headphone in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.